ESCO Streamline Compounding Isolator, the premium solution for aseptic drug compounding. The Streamline Compounding Isolator provides an aseptic environment for pharmaceutical preparations as it facilitates the isolation of the whole compounding process from the outside environment. An isolator is a pressure-tested barrier technology equipped with an integral decontamination system, ensuring superior product, process, operator, and environmental protection as compared to other engineering controls such as the closed restricted access barrier system, which is non-pressure tested. It is factory configured to operate at a positive or negative pressure in a recirculating or total exhaust or single pass airflow scheme, meeting the demands of every client application. It can be used for the following applications: potent formulation, aseptic compounding, chemotherapy compounding, total parenteral nutrition formulation, contained powder handling, cell therapy, gene therapy, tissue engineering, batch sterility testing, forensic laboratory, Botox, cosmetics or cosmeceuticals. Key features: UPA filters as per IESTRP CC001.3 and HEPA H14 filter as per EN 1822 with a typical efficiency of greater than 99.999% at 0.1 to 0.3 microns, providing an air cleanliness as per ISO 14644-1 of ISO Class 3 at rest and ISO Class 5 in operation. Class 3 leak-tight containment as per ISO 10648-2, designed in compliance to international guidelines such as PICS GMP, Australian TGA guidelines, United States Pharmacopoeia General Chapters 797 and 800. Sentinel Gold Microprocessor Controller supervises all functions and monitors airflow and pressure in real time. Safe change cuff rings permit glove changes with zero risk of contaminating the work zone or environment. Sleeves are made of hypoalin material while gloves are determined by user requirements. Robust dual-wall construction. Unique ESCO dynamic chamber plenum surrounds filter seals with negative pressure. It has easy-to-clean work zone. The unit is equipped with foot switch for easy access to the pass-through chamber. Airflow pattern. Ambient air is pulled through the inlet pre and main filter via the main fans at the top of the isolator. This creates positive pressure on the plenum, which provides the downflow of air with a velocity of 0.40 meters per second plus minus 20%. At client request, 0.45 meters per second plus minus 20% downflow velocity is possible. The pre-filter extends the life of the filters by trapping larger particulates that can easily clog the main filters. This downflow supply of air then provides an environment of ISO Class 3 at rest and ISO Class 5 in operation in a unidirectional airflow inside the isolator, thus protecting the materials inside the main chamber and pass-through. Air from the work zone and pass-through is then quickly purged by the fans to keep the area clean. The unit can be designed with two different types of exhaust system. Recirculating airflow. For this airflow scheme, once the entire chamber is purged, the fans will pull back 90% of the air back to the plenum, pass it through the HEPA downflow filter, and recirculate that air back to the work zone and pass through. Approximately 10% of the purged air will then be exhausted through the filters to prevent heat buildup inside the isolator. Exhausted air will then be replenished by the ambient air coming from the top inlet pre-filter with 80% efficiency. Total exhaust or single-pass airflow. In a total exhaust or single-pass, literally all the air entering the cabinet will be completely exhausted through HEPA filters, assuring protection of the operators, the product, and the surrounding environment. Accessories and options. It has options to have a sharps disposal system. Bottom of the work zone. Beside the work zone. Inside the work zone. A hydraulic height adjustable stand is available as an option. Options for external material of construction. Electro-galvanized steel with isocide antimicrobial powder coating. Full stainless steel 304. The United States Pharmacopoeia General Chapters 797 and 800, together with the FDA Section 503B guidance, states the need to have medical surveillance and proper documentation of the standard operating procedures surrounding the activities for sterile pharmaceutical preparations. ESCO's integration options for a CCTV and a monitor and keyboard mount can easily provide real-time monitoring and recording of personnel activities, meeting the demands of international guidelines. CCTV integration. Front panel with a stainless steel mount. Rear wall of the work zone. Monitor and keyboard integration. Access to rear view monitor system. Beside the front panel equipped with a keyboard and mouse arm. BioVap biodecontamination system, capable of achieving a 6-log reduction in bioburden. Adjustable footrest. Stainless steel turntable. Flexible ducting work. Laboratory cart. Butterfly valve, manual and automatic. ESCO Streamline Compounding Isolator, your premium solution for aseptic drug compounding. For more information, visit our website at www.escopharma.com.